In today's new YouTuber help series video, I am going to be telling you guys how I managed to make money on YouTube before being monetized. So I'm really new to YouTube, but I'm already making money on some of my YouTube videos. I don't yet have 1,000 subscribers at the time of recording this. I haven't hit 4,000 watch hours. I am not monetized, but some of my videos are generating me an income. Ads are just one form of income for YouTubers, but to be monetized, you have to hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which can be really hard when you're new to YouTube. YouTube is a time commitment. You spend a ton of time recording, editing, planning out what your videos are going to be, posting, and then promoting your videos. You should be getting paid for at least some of that work. So I make money on my YouTube videos using the Amazon Associates program. It is their affiliate program where you get a percentage of the sales you make. I feel too formal. So I first learned about the Amazon Associate program when me and Micah had a blog a few years ago. It was a way to make a little bit of money to offset the cost of hosting the website and any of our time that went into writing posts for the blog. Anytime we would talk about a product that you can buy on Amazon, we would include a link to it. This link had our tracking ID on it, and anytime someone would click on it and buy something from the link, even if it wasn't the item we were linking, we would get a small percentage of that sale. We no longer write for that blog, but it is still up because it's still generating me money every month. The money it costs to keep the blog live is maybe a few dollars every year, and people are still going to that blog from Pinterest. They're still reading the articles, clicking on the links, and we're still making a little bit of money every month from it, so it's worth it for us to keep it up. When I first started on YouTube, it kind of struck me like, well, can't I do this for YouTube too? If I talk about a product I like on Amazon, I could just link to it in the description, and then I'll continue to get money from people clicking on that link even if it's 6 months after I post the video. So I did some research, and you can use the Amazon Associates program on YouTube. So the first step in monetizing your YouTube videos before getting monetized on YouTube is to go to the Amazon Associates website. Just search Amazon Associates and their affiliate program will come up. Put in your information and it'll walk you through the rest. So once you apply, it takes about 12 to 24 hours to hear back if you're going to be accepted. Joining the program is free, but you'll need Amazon to approve your account before you can start using these affiliate links. I had applied for the Amazon affiliate program, like I said, back when we started this blog, so I already had an active Amazon Associate account, but the process would have been the same if I was just now starting it for YouTube. So to get an Amazon Associate account, you have to be 18 and you cannot post inappropriate content. You can go on their website to see what inappropriate content is to them. They advertise that you can earn up to 10% on every sale, but really it's going to be more like 2 to 4%. It depends on what kind of product you're promoting, but we'll get more into that later. Once you get approved for the Amazon affiliate program, there are a few things you need to do to keep your account open. In 6 months, you have to have at least made 10 posts or videos. You have to have made 3 sales. Actually, that's it. You just have to have 10 posts and 3 sales within 6 months. If you don't hit this, you can always reapply at the end of 6 months, and then you'll have another 6 months to hit that. So how it works is once someone clicks on your link, what they buy for the next 24 hours, you get commission on, even if it isn't the thing you linked to. You'll actually see what people are buying, and sometimes it's the craziest things that have absolutely nothing to do with what you were linking to. You can't see who bought it. I have a blog post about a hammock that we have that I really like, and it gets clicks every day, people trying to buy the hammock. And a lot of times people don't even buy the hammock, but they'll buy books, or they'll buy produce, or they'll buy some random thing, and I end up making commission on it because it was within 24 hours of clicking on my link. I actually have an audience right now for this informational seminar. It's a 5-month-old. He's kind of confused, but he's really attentive. Another way you'll make income from someone clicking on your link is if they add the item to their cart from your link, like the specific item that you linked. And then if they buy it within 89 days from adding it into the cart, you will also get commission on that, which is good because a lot of times I'll add something to my Amazon cart, and once it gets up to a certain amount of money, I'll kind of just place this big order. Even though I have Prime, I tend to not just buy one little thing at a time. So once you're approved for the Amazon Associate program, when you go onto your Amazon account and you're logged in, you'll have something called a site strip at the top of the Amazon website. This allows you to generate links on any product on Amazon. If I were to look up some blue light blocking glasses, I can search them, find a pair that I really like or a pair that I'm already using, and then at the top, I think left, you can click like text link, and I usually do the shortened link so it's not super long, and then I can post that anywhere, and anyone that clicks on it and buys it or buys anything after clicking on the link will give me a small commission. If you have an actual blog like on WordPress, you can get these HTML ads that show the product and the price. This is what I used to do. It just makes it more clickable, but you can't do that on YouTube, I don't think. So like I said, I use these links in my YouTube description, especially like when I did my Amazon baby products. I linked every product in the description and made them all affiliate links. So if anyone clicks on them or buys anything after clicking on them, they will give me a commission of that sale. I also see people link their cameras that they use, their microphones, anything they use in their filming setup, just in case somebody is like, wow, you have great film quality, I want to get a camera like that. You can link to it on Amazon and then then if they buy it, you'll get a commission of that sale. The thing I love about the Amazon Associate Program is that it is totally passive income. Once you put those links in, you don't have to do anything to maintain them. Anyone that's interested in something I'm promoting, whether it be the day I post it or 6 months later, as long as my account is still active and that link is still live, I am still making money on it. I'll include a screenshot here where you can see I've been making money every month from our blog that I don't post on anymore. We started this blog in 2018 and we were really into it for a while, but life got in the way and we didn't really stick with it. For the most part, it's been an inactive blog for a while, yet I'm still making a small amount of passive income from people clicking on those links. I pretty much get paid every month from Amazon, and now that I'm including them on my YouTube videos, I expect that amount to go up. This is why you see so many people doing Amazon favorite videos, Amazon hauls, everything like that, because they're making money from all of the links in the description most likely, and if they're monetized, they're making money on the monetization as well. It makes it worth it to just make an Amazon haul video, because even if you only make commission on a few of those sales, it's worth it. So I could be wrong about this next part, but I know when I was writing posts for the blog that had Amazon affiliate links in it, I had to add a disclaimer at the top of every post telling people if they click on the links, I could get a small commission from it, but it wouldn't charge them anything extra. I remember thinking that was mandatory back when I was doing it in 2018, but just now I looked through the Amazon handbook when I was doing some research for this video and I don't remember seeing anything about it. I think to be safe, it would be a good idea just to include maybe at the top of your description or in the video verbally that if anyone shops using your links, you'll get a small commission from it and it won't charge them anything extra, just to cover yourself in that situation. So I know it's different in other countries, but in the US, we have a minimum payment chart on their website that tells you how much you have to make before they will pay out to you. The option I use is direct deposit, and that is a $10 minimum. So I usually hit that at least every month, and they will just deposit it right into your checking or savings account. The second option is an Amazon gift card if you want to go that route. The minimum payout is $10 for that, and they pay once a month. The third option is a check, and that is a $100 minimum, and I think they charge a $15 check processing fee. So if you don't have to do a check, I wouldn't. I would try to use a checking or savings account to do direct deposit. That way it really is totally hands-off. You make the links, you put them in your description, and they will just send you your money when you earn it. Once we stopped posting on the blog, I actually was getting random credit on my bank account, and like it'd be like $13 here, like $25 here. So I looked into it and it said from Amazon, and I initially thought like, wait, I'm not returning anything. I don't know why I'm getting this credit. So I sent them an email and they're like, that's your commission you're making from your blog still. Obviously we had a lot going on. And I didn't realize it would be that much money every month just from not even working on the blog, having it in the background. We had pretty much quit the blog, so I didn't expect to still be making money from it. When you make your Amazon Associate account, you'll get a traffic ID, which is exactly like it sounds, an ID to track where your traffic is coming from. So I have a traffic ID for our blog, so I know every time I'm getting a sale or I'm getting commission where it's coming from. If it has the blog's traffic ID, then I know it came from there. It's just an easy way to track where you're making your money. So if you have a blog and you have a YouTube channel, you could have a different traffic ID for both, and then you'll know which one's making you more money or where you got a certain sale from. I just made a new traffic ID for YouTube, so I know when I'm making a sale from a YouTube video versus when I'm making a sale from a blog post. This is just for you. I mean, you can have it the same traffic ID for all of your links, but it's a cool way if you have multiple sources that you're using your links on to just sort of track it. I think I mentioned earlier that you can get up to 10% commission on your sales, but it's more likely that you'll make 2 to 4%. I'll put a picture here of the Amazon commission rates for each product. The thing you make the most money on is luxury beauty and Amazon coins. You'll make 10% on any sale of those items. And you can look through this chart. Each thing has kind of a different commission rate. And if something doesn't fall into this category, it's 4%. But I wouldn't necessarily use this to pick and choose what you promote. You should just promote the things you genuinely like, and then whatever percentage you get is just kind of what you get. One thing that I don't really know enough about to explain in full detail, but I did read about last night, is the Amazon Associate like bounty program. And that is when you get anyone to sign up for Amazon Prime, Amazon Student, an Amazon Wedding Registry, an Amazon Baby Registry, anything like that. You'll get $3 for every person that signs up for that. Like I said, I don't really know enough about it to know if it's all the time or if this is a special thing. I'm pretty sure it's all the time, but just to be safe, I'll kind of include a link in the description to the terms and service and you can read about it yourself. But this can be good if you're doing a video on your baby registry. Like I used an Amazon Baby Registry, didn't promote it to anyone. I just genuinely really liked it because you can add things from other websites and Amazon tends to have the best price for everything. Now, if I make a video about why I loved the Amazon Baby Registry, I can put a link in the description to have people sign up for their own Amazon Baby Registry, and I'll make $3 on every person that signs up. I think that's really cool and something I'm definitely going to look more into, but for now I just need to do more research on it. So a pretty important and really obvious thing is you can't buy using your affiliate links. I've seen both that it won't make you any money, so there's no point in it. They just will disregard those sales. But I've also heard it can get your account shut down if you somehow circumvent that, like using an incognito browser. It's not worth it to potentially get your account shut down. You'll make a lot more money promoting it to other people than you would just your own personal sales. It would be better to find another friend or YouTuber, blogger, or whatever that has an Amazon associate account and buy using their link so they can get a little bit of money from it. And that way I don't think you're infringing on their terms of service. My last thing about this, which is pretty important, is be trustworthy with this. Don't promote products that you haven't used or products that you really don't like just to try to make some money on them, because people will learn that you're just promoting whatever, and if you promote a product that's not good, no one is going to want to buy anything you promote in the future. So in this description I'll link, for example, my camera, and I love my camera. I use it all the time. It's like the best purchase I've made this year, and so I feel very comfortable putting my Amazon associate link to this camera in the description, knowing that I'll make a small commission on it, because I feel like I'm doing people a service by recommending them a really good camera that I have personally vetted. Now, could I go find the most expensive camera on Amazon and link to it in hopes that I make a small commission on a sale? Of course, but if someone has a problem with it, they're gonna think, wow, she recommended a bad product. That's not worth it to me. Thank you for watching if you've stuck with me this far. I did a lot of research for this video, and I think that I included everything that I need to. I love that I'm already making money from YouTube long before I'm gonna be monetized. And if I find any other ways to make money on YouTube before getting monetized, I'll make a separate video about that. Good luck making money. Remember me when you're rich. Bye guys.